Hey, welcome. We're going to be doing an unboxing of the iCUE LT-100 by Corsair. This is their new lighting stand. This is to replace, I think this is to replace their existing lighting stand, but here it goes. Kind of already opened the box because I had to do a little blooper, but there it kind of goes. Kind of their new standard unboxing. Just flip this up and around. So we have instruction manual right here, as most people are familiar with. And we have like one of the bases for the lighting stand, and it has looks like kind of pogo pins and a white PCB on the bottom. It's kind of neat. So they have a second base. This is supposed to be like, I think they're kind of the LT-100 but on steroids. There's probably going to be a AC adapter. Yep. And let's check that out. So it's the output's 5 volts and it does up to 5 amps. It's good for 100 to 240 input for the voltage. So if you can have an adapter, or if you're in Europe, you probably have a different connector. So let's see here. Oops. Don't mind that. Yeah, this is kind of a little bit difficult to do an unboxing because it's just so big. So here's one of the stands, one of the little posts, I guess you could call it. And set this off to here, along with these. Okay, we have more packaging. I see another stand right here. And this is actually pretty hefty, in my opinion. You can see there's little pads right here, which are hard to see from the lighting, or for reflection. Here, I'll move this. So it's kind of nice that a lot of companies are moving to like this kind of pogo pen and this this kind of mating idea with having it touch a pad. That way you don't have to worry about God, these things are hard to get into. Okay, so let's open this up. And you can see kind of pads right here. So it's made up with the little pogo pins on the bottom right here. And I use those actually for testing my PCBs, like on my little controller here, on my tester here. So I just put my boards that I test on it and drop it on and lock it down. It's the same concept. Granted, these hit the headers, while those just make contact with just a flat pad. So let me see what else is in here. There we go. So just some cables. So empty box. There we go. There. And not my most graceful unboxing, but yeah, it's big, small area. Kind of need to put something together. Just put everything away. Okay, that goes like this. And what we have here looks like a headphone holder, which mounts to the top of it. And a nice kind of braided cable. Always like USB-C, but this is micro USB. Not my favorite, but they have a few products that I need to see, which is nice. And a gigantic Molex SL connector. So this is so it's 6 pins. So this is gigantic. Yes, my friend Jay will enjoy making adapters for this. So let's kind of take a look at it. It's going to be hard from the camera angle. So you have kind of the nice Corsair logo there, a textured like non-slip surface in the bottom, serial number, a diffuser in the back, and of course you have the little adapter. So this is probably to extend it out further. And this is okay. This one's a bit different. This one probably has a built-in. Yeah, this has the USB connectivity, output, I'm guessing, and also power in. So this is actually technically the controller. I'm guessing this is a button just like on the was it the LS-100 to turn it off by default, and just do is set this in like this. It goes in, and voila. I'll probably get a little video of the kind of a little review or overview of it in a little bit, but you know, that's kind of about it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you for tuning in.